Hello everyone. Today we are starting a journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. But before we dive deep, let's first understand what AI actually means. In the simplest form, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think, learn, and solve problems just like humans do. However, unlike humans, these machines can process vast amounts of data, make decisions, and learn from experiences much faster. You might be wondering, why do we call it artificial? The term artificial simply means that it's created by humans, not occurring naturally. So, AI is essentially human made systems designed to imitate the way we think and act. AI can be found all around us in everyday technologies that we may not even think twice about. For instance, virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, or even self driving cars are all powered by AI. AI has a wide range of applications, from medical diagnostics to robotics and natural language processing. It's not just about creating machines that can think. It's about making them smarter, more efficient, and capable of performing complex tasks that were once only possible for humans. So, now that we have a basic understanding of what AI is, let's explore the different types and how they work. But first, let me emphasize AI is not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human abilities and making our lives easier and more efficient. Now that we know what artificial intelligence is, let's take a step back and explore how it all started. The idea of creating intelligent machines is not new. In fact, it dates back centuries. Ancient civilizations had myths and stories about artificial beings with human like intelligence. However, AI as we know it today began to take shape in the 20th century. One of the key moments in AI history was the 1950s when British mathematician Alan Turing asked a fundamental question: can machines think? He introduced the concept of Turing test, which evaluates whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human. This laid the foundation for modern AI research. Then in 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially introduced at the Dartmouth Conference, a meeting where scientists gathered to discuss the possibility of creating machines that could think and learn. This event marked the birth of AI as a field of study. In the following decades, AI went through ups and downs. Early AI programs could solve mathematical problems and play simple games, but they struggled with real world complexity. By the 1980s and 1990s, advances in computing power and algorithms helped AI make it a comeback, leading to machine learning and neural networks. Today, AI is more advanced than ever thanks to big data, deep learning, and powerful computers. From self driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is transforming every industry. I suggest you learn more about the Turing test and research its story. You can find it on Wikipedia. Now that we know what AI is and how it emerged, let's talk about its impact in our daily lives. AI is no longer just a futuristic idea, it's already here, shaping the world around us. You may not realize it, but AI is involved in many aspects of your day, from the moment you wake up to the time you go to sleep. For example, if you use a smartphone, AI helps with facial recognition to unlock your phone. When you search for something on Google, AI algorithms analyze millions of results to show you the most relevant answers. If you watch Netflix or listen to music on Spotify, AI recommends movies and songs based on your preferences. Even virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand and respond to your voice commands. But AI isn't just about convenience. It plays a critical role in many industries, helping us solve complex problems efficiently. So far, we've talked about what AI is, how it started, and where we use it in our lives. But not all AI systems are the same. There are different types of AI, and they don't all work in the same way. Let's start with simplest kind, which is called narrow AI or weak AI. This is the AI we interact with every day. It can do one specific task very well, like recognizing face in photos, suggesting songs on Spotify, or answering questions through chatbots. But that's all it does. It doesn't actually think like a human. Now imagine an AI that can think, learn, and solve problems just like we do. This would be called general AI or strong AI. It wouldn't just follow pre-programmed rules. It would understand concepts, reason, and adapt in different situations. Scientists are still working on this, and we are not there yet. But if we achieve it, it could change the world completely. Then there is super AI, a level beyond human intelligence. This is something we only see in science fiction movies for now, where AI becomes smarter than us, makes its own decisions, and even develops emotions. Some experts think it might be possible in the future, but for now, it's just a theory. Now, let's talk about how AI actually works. At its core, AI is powered by something called machine learning. Instead of programming every single rule, we give AI lots of data and it learns patterns from that data. The more it learns, the better it gets at making predictions. A more advanced versions of this is deep learning, which is inspired by the human brain. It uses artificial neural networks to process information, which is why AI can now recognize speech, translate language, and even create realistic images. Another important concept is natural language processing or NLP. This is what allows AI to understand and respond to human language. It is the reason why we can talk to virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa and get meaningful answers. So in short, AI comes in different types of work in different ways, but all of them are designed to process data, recognize patterns and make decisions. Don't be afraid. We will go into this in detail in the following lessons and you will realize that it is simple. Alright, let's address the big questions. Will AI take over the world? Alright. Well, if AI were really going to take over, do you think they would let me stand here and talk about it? Probably not. In reality, AI is a powerful tool, but it is only as smart as we make it. It doesn't have emotions, personal ambitions, or secret plan to rule humanity. At least, not yet. Jokes aside, AI is shaping our future, and like any powerful technology, it depends on how we use it. If we develop AI responsibly, it will be our greatest ally, not our enemy. So instead of fearing a robot uprising, let's focus on using AI to solve real world problems. And with that, I officially declare that AI is not taking over the world, at least for today. Thank you all for joining me in this session. I hope you're learning something new and exciting about AI. See you next time.